Introduction. Hello and welcome to day 2 of your 90-day English Fluency Challenge. Yesterday we learned the English alphabet. Today, we're moving on to something equally important, numbers. We'll learn to count from 1 to 20, focusing on clear pronunciation and practical use. Numbers are everywhere, and mastering them is a huge step in daily English communication. Let's begin. Shadowing now. Let's practice saying the numbers from 1 to 20. Listen carefully and repeat after each number. This is called shadowing, and it helps you improve your pronunciation and rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Let's continue. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Now, for the next set. These can be a bit tricky, so listen closely. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You're doing wonderfully. Just a few more. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Fantastic. Let's try saying them all together. A little faster this time. Listen and repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Listening practice. Let's listen to a simple story that uses numbers. Try to hear each number as it's spoken. Don't worry if you don't understand every word, just focus on the numbers. My friend Leo loves animals. One day he went to the farm, he saw 2 big cows, then he saw 3 cute pigs. 4 fluffy chickens were walking around. He found 5 little eggs in a basket. Next, he saw 6 happy ducks in the water. 7 small birds were singing in a tree. 8 busy bees flew by. 9 playful puppies ran in the grass. Finally, he saw 10 beautiful horses. Leo counted all the animals. He had a wonderful day at the farm. Let's listen to that story one more time, a little slower. My friend Leo loves animals. One day he went to the farm. He saw 2 big cows. Then he saw 3 cute pigs. 4 fluffy chickens were walking around. He found 5 little eggs in a basket. Next, he saw 6 happy ducks in the water. 7 small birds were singing in a tree. 8 busy bees flew by. 9 playful puppies ran in the grass. Finally, he saw 10 beautiful horses. Leo counted all the animals. He had a wonderful day at the farm. How to focus while listening. To improve your listening skills, try these simple tips. First, try to relax. Don't stress about understanding every single word. Second, listen for keywords. Today, the keywords are the numbers. Third, repeat what you hear in your mind. This helps your brain process the sounds. Fourth, listen multiple times. Each time, you'll catch something new. And finally, don't be afraid to close your eyes. This can help you focus only on the sound. Easy daily program for English. To make steady progress, here's an easy daily program for you. Spend 5 minutes reviewing the alphabet from day 1. Say the letters out loud. Then spend 10 minutes practicing numbers 1 to 20. Count objects around you in English. Listen to today's lesson again. Repeat the numbers and the story. Try to use 1 or 2 new numbers in a simple sentence you say to yourself. Consistency is more important than long study sessions. Short, daily practice works best. How to master English. Mastering English is a journey, not a race. Here's how you can do it. Practice consistently. Even 5 to 10 minutes every day is better than one long session once a week. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes them, and they are part of learning. Immerse yourself. Listen to English music, watch short English videos, even if you don't understand everything. Find a study buddy if you can. Practicing with someone else can be very motivating. And most importantly, enjoy the process. Learning a new language should be fun. Conversation practice. Let's do some simple conversation practice using numbers. I'll ask a question and you can answer. How many fingers do you have on one hand? Your answer, 5. How many eyes do you have? Your answer, 2. If you have 1 apple and I give you 1 more, how many apples do you have? Your answer, 2. What number comes after 10? Your answer, 11. What number comes before 20? Your answer, 19. Great job. Keep practicing these simple questions and answers. Motivation. You are doing amazing. You've completed day 2 and you're building a strong foundation in English. Every number you learn, every word you pronounce brings you closer to fluency. Remember why you started this journey and keep that goal in mind. You have the power to learn and master English. Keep going, you've got this. Tips: learning numbers. Here are some tips for learning numbers effectively. First, pay attention to the teen numbers: 13, 14, 15, etc. They sound similar to 10, but have a teen ending. Second, use flashcards. Write the number on one side and the word on the other. Third, count everything around you. Count your pens, your books, your fingers, your toes. Say the numbers out loud in English. Fourth, try to write the numbers. Writing helps to reinforce your memory. Fifth, listen to children's songs about counting. They are simple and catchy. Daily life sentences. Let's practice some simple sentences using numbers you've learned today. Repeat after me. I have one brother. She has 2 cats. There are 3 books on the table. He bought 4 apples. We need 5 chairs. The bus number is 7. My age is 20. You can replace 20 with your actual age if it's within 120. I want 1 coffee, please. The store closes at 9 o'clock. There are 12 months in a year. Storytelling. Chapter. Let's tell a short story together, focusing on counting. Listen and repeat, or just listen and try to count along. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Mia. She went to the park to play. She saw one big tree. Under the tree, there were 2 small squirrels. Mia looked up and saw 3 colorful balloons flying in the sky. She walked to the pond and counted 4 happy ducks swimming. Then she found 5 pretty flowers. Mia felt very happy. She counted everything she saw: 1 tree, 2 squirrels, 3 balloons, 4 ducks, 5 flowers. It was a lovely day at the park. Homework exercises for your homework today. 1. Count 10 objects in your room and say their numbers in English. For example, 1 bed, 2 pillows. 2. Write down the numbers from 1 to 20 in English words. 3. Practice saying your age in English. 4. Listen to this video's number section one more time before you go to sleep. That's all for day 2. You've done a great job learning your first 20 English numbers. Keep practicing, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 3, where we'll learn the days of the week and months. Keep up the excellent work.